Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Kim with Kimmy's Creations. Today I'm going to crochet these cute little hearts. For this pattern you will need to know the magic ring, the double crochet stitch, the treble crochet stitch, the chain stitch, and a slip stitch. So grab your yarn, grab your hooks, and let's get started. I'm using Bernat blanket yarn with a 7mm crochet hook. You need a pair of scissors and a large-eyed needle. Let's get started. So you're going to make a magic ring. Going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do 4 trebles. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's 1. So yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's 2. And there's 3. I like to close the magic ring a little bit. So now we're going to do 4 double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in there, yarn over, pull it up, go through 2, go through 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to do 1 treble. So yarn over twice, pull through 2, 2, 2. Now we're going to do 4 more doubles. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to do 3 trebles. So 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to slip stitch right into that magic ring. We're going to cut our yarn. Then you want to pull the magic ring tail tight without snapping your yarn. Then you're going to weave in your ends. I like to pull this tail through there. I'm going to pick up a loop, tuck it back through, and make a knot. Weave it in one more time. Then I cut it, and I'll do the same thing for this tail. So I make a loop, pull it through to make a knot, pull it tight, weave it in once more, and there you have a cute little heart. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make these cute little hearts. If you watched to the very end, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment below and let me know if you made any of these cute little hearts. I'm making them again for my daughter's Valentine's Day class cards.